Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And we will be learning phonics. In this video, we will learn sound of the letter V. Sound of the letter V is V. The V sound. Van. V-A-N. Van. V sound. Vase. V-A-S-E. Vase. Violin. V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin. Sound of the letter V is V. Vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E. Vulture. The V sound. Vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. Venus. V-E-N-U-S. Venus. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Sound of the letter V is V. Volcano. V-O-L-C-A-N-O. Volcano. The V sound. Vowel. A-E-I-O-U. These are the 5 vowels. V-I-S-I-T. Visit. V-E-S-T. Vest. V-O-T-E. Vote. V-I-L-L-A. Villa. V-E-R-Y. Very. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. V-I-O-L-E-T. Violet. Visit. Vest. Vote. Villa. Very. Village. Violet. Thank you for watching this video till the end.